Autumn Festival is here, and in Vietnam, Miss Autumn Festival is mean ladder, lantern, and of course food. And if you ask any Vietnamese people what food is mean Moon Festival, mostly all of the answer is always mooncake. Alright, so this is the most famous and the most controversial mooncake filling, mixed nut and meat, or we can call that one is nhân thập cẩm. Okay, so they have nut, seed, sauces, and then in here they have the egg. Mix everything. Okay, so flavor, salty, sweet, and crunchy, chewy, they're fighting each other. And some people hate it, some people love it. Me, cannot decide. This one safer, is very traditional, it's mung bean filling, sweet, chewy. Sweet, smooth, gentle. And actually with this one, you can eat whole the cake without realizing. Okay, not the whole cake. Besides some traditional filling mooncake like mixed nut and meat or mung bean, nowadays mooncake come in a lot of new and creative filling. And some are healthier, but some it tastes like the fancy dessert. Today I'm going to try some of them. This looks like lava cake. This filling is new. Inside here they have mung bean, lotus, oat, and syrup. Sound healthy already. Okay, let's try it. Like lava cake, nutty, chewy, and finally it's less sweet, like cleaner. I think this one I make sure choose this when I finally go to the gym. Finally, that one sounds like a French dessert more than Vietnamese mooncake. Inside they have nut and dark chocolate, orange peel, and rum. It's smooth, a little bitter, and a little bit sweet, but then the orange kick. With rum inside, this mooncake like having gone on the vacation to Europe and then coming back with this taste. And cheers! So this is the lineup today. This one traditional, chaos but legend. This one is safe and softer, but this one a little bit healthier and less sweet. The final one is bold and like a dessert. But the mooncake is about sharing. Now who wanna buy? Okay, mooncakes are delicious, but it's very, very sweet and heavy. And you know what? We don't just eat, we also drink something is very special. This is Shan Tuyết tea made from ancient tea tree in the mountain. Strong, bold, and pretty bitter. This tea is a little bit bitter, so that's why I need to have the mooncake. And with the mooncake, it's a perfect mixing, perfect balance. I can see why uncle and grandpa love this combo like this during the mid-autumn. And this one much lighter and refreshing, lotus sweet soup. And this Vietnamese dessert, they usually make this with lotus seed, some jelly and tapioca. During Moon Festival, after enjoying the mooncake, it's very flavorful and rich. A cup of lotus sweet soup is perfect balance, gentle, cooling down and completing the spirit togetherness. So here is the difference. So this tea, Shan Tuyết tea, is like bitter and very strong. So this one is light and modern. Maybe it's a bit healthy. Both are great in their own way. It just depends on your vibe. Okay, so that tea is really heavy with all of the sweetness. But you know what? In Vietnam, mid-autumn is not only mooncake and tea. We also enjoy plenty of snack and fruit. This one is a simple thing, but make the celebrate much more fun. Normally, we have a lot of traditional cake and candy, like green rice cakes or peanut candy and a lot of different sweets. But today, we only can buy this, some weird candy and dry food. But I told you before, mid-autumn is not only about the food, it's also about sharing. So let's try it. Okay, firstly is snake jelly. Very chewy. Very sweet too, and a little bit sour. I don't think it tastes like snake. Okay, next one. Banana. Very sweet. And the banana flavor. I think this is the banana oil flavor. Now let's try some fruit. I think this one is grape. You know, I think all of this is tastes like the same. So now let's try some dry food. I don't know what this is. This one is better than the candy in here. Sweet, sour. This one is totally sweet, a little bit spicy. This one is also sweet and sour. So basically all of the candy in here is very sweet, but all of the dry fruit in here is sweet and sour. So after we try a lot of dry fruit in here, I want we move to the fresh food. This one. And this one, pomelo, the queen of Mid-Autumn Festival. Juicy, sweet, and this one will save your life after you try mooncake, rich and flavorful. Sweet, balanced restaurant. These fruits look weird, right? This one is a kind of apple, rose apple. How you will kill the apple, I don't know. Don't worry. This one is crispy, refreshing, and a little bit sweetness. During the Mid-Autumn Festival, its light taste offers the fresh balance alongside rich mooncake, sour fruit, adding the joy of the family gathering. So you see, Mid-Autumn in Vietnam is not just about mooncake. We also have a lot of different snack and fruit too. And actually, in every family now, they prepare a lot of big fruit tray. We call this one is mâm ngũ quả to celebrate the Moon Festival. But that whole culture story, and my friend Chung will tell you more in the next video. So that's Mid-Autumn Festival in Hanoi. Not just about mooncake, we also have the food table of fruit and candy. What would you try first, the traditional one or the modern one? Let me know. If you like this little food trip, don't forget to like and subscribe for Hanoi City Tour for more content and for more delicious adventure.